Hey everyone, welcome to an episode of Josh's Backyard Builds. This is going to be a quick one. I'm not sure if I did the video on this, the first one that I did. I think I done a short, but yeah, I'll make a quick video. It'll be maybe a 10-15 minute one. Watch this. So I've got another packet of these little dress finishes, whatever the fuck they're called. I don't know. We're going to need some Allen keys. That'll do. And 10mm sockets out there. That's pretty much all. That's it. That's all we need. See if I can get a spot in here. Yep, we got one. I can tilt the fucking thing the whole way. Alright, we'll start here. We need a 10mm. Bumper bar brackets first. I think I'll do one at a time just in case I fuck up any alignments. Should be alright, but out with the old. And with the new. One. I feel like I might get a better Allen key because this is going to be a prick. I might be alright. I don't like these Allen key tool Swiss Army belt fucking things. They're just this one's I must have tightened it up recently because it's not falling apart everywhere. Oh, a little bit of paint coming up there with that bolt. It's not ideal, but it's all good. No one will see that. Going on. It might be a kind of JDM sort of mod. They do have little Japanese fucking symbols on there. It's obviously geared that direction, but I think they finish off really, really nice. Yeah. I think my brother had them as number plate light. No, number plate. Oh, that fucking did jump in a bit. And that's why I did it one at a time. Last thing I want to do is fuck up my panel gaps. I'm pretty fucking pedantic with shit like that. I actually think that wanted to come in. So that's if I pull it out, it pops the panel up. So I think I'm going to let that run in. Let it do what it wants to. Alright. see where I'm going with there. Should be right. Actually, shouldn't probably need this, but whatever. That one didn't move at all. Good one, dickhead. I'm pretty sure old mate gave me an extra packet because I've got two packets. I have to check the listings. Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 per packet. I thought I only bought another 10. If I've got extras, I'll see if Rolly wants them. I gotta pull all this out and fucking get that wiper motor out and have a look at the fucking holes in the spacer shelf. See if there's any rust in there too. That's a to-do list job. I'm not sure how to go about the repair, to be honest, but like investigating, like I know how to repair rust. If I see it, I know what to do. It's just yeah, the holes, like, I'm pretty sure if there's no rust, like the reason that it's leaking is just holes where the spot welds go for the whatchamacallits, the wiper motor. The wiper motor. I'll try and get that in as far as I can on the fingies. It's a pretty tight spot, that one. I was thinking about undoing me bonnet struts and taking it off. I mean, not taking it off, flipping it up higher, so I've got more room in here. But seems like this space was made for this Allen key. It's just working. Pretty tight spot though. Just got that. What do you think, Jamie? Looks all fancy. Have a look. I already started. I had these ones done. And over here, I'm just doing all the ones on the panel, front bumper. Yeah. Now I'll do a splint. Back over here. Can you see these ones? Yeah. So here. Fuck, where did the extension go? There, and it. The good thing about like recording, like videoing processes of what you're doing or whatever as you're doing it, if you ever actually properly lost a part or a tool or anything like that, you can stop the video, stop what you're doing, go back, play through the footage. Haha, put it there, that's where it is. That's how I found, you know, the rubber caps or whatever behind the headlights. Yeah. I lost one of these of these headlights, and being the twins, they're pretty rare. I lost one, and I went back through my footage, and I had it in my hand, and then I didn't have it in my hand, and then I closed the bonnet. It was somewhere under that engine bay, and then I couldn't find it. I went to walk down the driveway. It was right at the end of the driveway. Just fell out. Lucky. Very lucky. Ugh. At least I didn't have to run to the bolt shop this time to get any extra long ones. These ones are, like the ones off the bumper could have potentially been a little longer, but yeah, the panel fucking bolts or whatever, they're the same length, so. I'm doing it all one at a time so I don't mess up any paddle gaps. This is what's the first thing I noticed when I undone one of the first guard panel. The fucking thing moved, but it actually moved to a better spot, so I'm not mad about that. I'll have to go pick all them up when I finish.
You can tell them screws that one in.
Yeah. Try it. Don't get the hint.
Are you going to come inside?
Yeah, I've got 3 more to do, and then I'll stop. Look, last 3 too. Look, it's just worked out perfect. It's the perfect amount. I'm pretty sure they gave me an extra packet because I've got yeah, 1 full extra packet, and I only ordered enough to do what I needed. This is the one that moved before. Let's see if it moves again or not. No, not a budge. There's obviously some pressure on that one. Must have taken a little knock in the front somewhere. Just adjusted the panels a little bit. Better keep going with my one at a time thing because I was about to rip them all out and just go. Is there a chop?
Yeah.
Would you be able to grab us a drink, please? Thank you. Where am I going? I don't need to go anywhere. They're in my pocket now. We're fucking not looking at the. We're not looking at the right thing anymore. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, don't do. I nearly had the battery at the fucking with the ratchet. Yeah, all the way to the end. Come on, baby. In and in and in, getting in. Beautiful. Yeah, coming through and wipe the whole bay down now with the fucking microfiber, get it a bit cleaner, more presentable. So that's the finished product. Just got these little dress bolts on every 10mm nut that used to be here. It'd be cool if I could maybe get them on there somehow. I'd have to get under there with a nut maybe. Make them all match. And then there, right there. Airbox. Could use one there too probably. But that's not gonna fucking... It's not gonna work under that, I don't think. Anyway, that's the end of that one. Like I said, nice and quick this one. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, follow me on Instagram too. Fucking Josh Critical Fraser. That's me on Facebook too. If you want to get me there, I probably won't accept you. I only really have friends on Facebook, but friends and business associates. But yeah, that's it. Fucking yeah, coming along. Love yous.